Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Postmenopausal osteoarthritis cases surge globally by 130% in 30 years, study reveals. The global number of cases of osteoarthritis, as well the disability associated with the condition, have risen by more than 130% over the past 3 decades among women who have gone through the menopause, indicates a data analysis published in the open access journal BMJ Global Health. During this period, East Asia and high-income Asia-Pacific countries experienced the fastest growth in the condition, while excess weight accounted for 20% of the total years lived with the resulting disability. The analysis indicates osteoarthritis is primarily characterized by the deterioration and damage of joint cartilage, accompanied by bony remodeling, joint dysfunction, and chronic pain. To better understand the global impact of osteoarthritis in this group, the researchers analyzed data from 204 countries and territories for the prevalence, severity, and deaths attributable to 371 diseases. The researchers focused in particular on rates of new and existing cases of knee, hip, hand, and other osteoarthritis and years of healthy life lost, DALYs, among postmenopausal women aged 55 and above. The menopause signals a decline in estrogen levels, which not only affects skeletal health, but is also directly linked to the function and stability of the joint system, explain the researchers. The results showed that knee OA carried the heaviest burden, while hip OA bore the least. Higher socio-demographic index regions had higher burden, and inequalities linked to SDI among countries had intensified over time. East Asia and high-income Asia-Pacific experienced the most substantial increments in OA burden. High BMI significantly influences the burden of OA, especially in countries within high, middle, and middle SDI, where disability-adjusted life years attributed to high BMI exceed 20%. Therefore, the researchers concluded that the burden of OA among postmenopausal women continues to escalate, highlighting its significant impact on the global health of postmenopausal women. Necessarily, effective monitoring and management of risk factors, targeted lifestyle adjustments for BMI, and policy interventions accounting for demographic disparities are required to ease OA in postmenopausal women.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.